Respected father, teachers, and all my dear friends, as we know, Van Mahotsav is an annual tree planting festival celebrated on first week of July. Thousands of trees are planted all over the country in this first week of July. First, it was organized by or celebrated by Punjabi botanist M.S. Randhawa. Then it was declared as a national activity by Minister of Agriculture and Food, Dr. K.M. Munshi, and moved to first week of July and renamed as Van Mahotsav. As we know, trees and forests play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance and providing oxygen to the human being on the planet. And Van Mahotsav is also the reminder for us that remind us to stop deforestation and save the trees and planting more and more trees. On this week of July, first week of July, we can see that many children's elders planting saplings and spreading awareness for planting more and more trees and saving the life. Hence, recently our Union Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar has also planted sapling and said that India has set up a target of creating additional 2 billion carbon sequester to reduce carbon by 2030. And as the present scenario during the pandemic, we can see that the demand of oxygen is increasing day by day. Hence, the demand or the importance of Van Mahotsav or planting of trees has also increased. So, for the future, we should not only pay importance on planting the trees, but also move one step forward for saving the trees which are already present on the planet, our Earth. As we know that the time taken by a tree to grow is 15 to 20 years, but on the other hand, the time taken a tree to cut is 15 to 20 minutes. So, we should stop all the activities which leads to deforestation, cutting of trees, such as the main reason or the main cause for cutting trees is to make the paper, and it is related somewhere with the students only. So my mean is to say that we should control our demands, and we should use the books or the notebooks again and again so that we can stop deforestation or cutting of trees. And we should also find the reason for the forest fire, because due to this forest fire the trees are damaged on the large scale, and it also causes the damage to the biodiversity. Hence, my request to you is that all must use 3R rule: reuse, reduce and recycle, to save the life, to save our mankind, to save the earth. Thank you.